Hello everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you very much for all the views and comments and reactions to my Hyundai Kona Electric series. 27 episodes. It was fun. It was a lot of fun to film, edit the whole thing and see how everybody's watching and reacting to it. I hope you liked them and I hope you learned a bit. Okay, I have a new electric car coming up this week, and so Friday afternoon I should get the next car. It all depends on the weather, so if it's raining then not, but I hope it stays. And I have to bring the car back on Saturday noon, so I only have it overnight and I can only drive 350 kilometers, but that's okay. It will be fun and it's a great car, so yes, that's it. What I wanted to talk to you about today is the Volkswagen ID3 Neo, because today is Wednesday, April 3rd, I think, yes, and in 5 weeks you can pre-order the car, and I think I will do that. So I looked at the specs and the data and what they want to do with the car, how much it costs, and if the conditions are okay, so it depends how much you have to pay if you pre-order it. But if those conditions are okay for me, I think I will pre-order that car in 5 weeks, because it looks really nice. Around 30,000 euros. There's a 40, a 60 and an 80 kilowatt hour battery. I want the 60. Can charge up to, I think, more than 100 kilowatt, and it has a over 100 kilowatt motor. So enough for me. Looking forward to that. Ja, vorher vorbei, was ist denn? I'm sorry, jackass, not driving. So I'm excited about the car. Also, I'm looking into the Peugeot E208. Looks also very interesting. Small car, e-Golf size, with a 50 kilowatt hour battery. Looks nice too. I want to test drive it too. It should come in June. I had no idea. I just saw a video and it was like, ooh, cool. So I'm asking around this. I have a problem with getting the Audi e-tron. I contacted 4 different dealerships. 1 said, no, we don't want videos with this car. And 3 didn't write me back. So I don't know. We'll see. I will keep trying. But I guess that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.